Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how to make a quick and fairly simple why is he bald? Huh, that's weird. One of the thingies is deleted. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple... Let me move it. Let me move it. I guess I'm just going to move this. Okay. So, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple quest that you can also decline, and if you decline it'll just, then next time you talk to the character that is like asking you to do the quest, you can decline or accept it. Instead of using once branch where if you made it so it would decline, that you could decline, but you didn't really change anything to it, all you did is make that choice in the first text where it says like, will you do this quest or whatever. It'll start the quest anyways because it's a once branch, and then every other time it'll choose the other branch. So no matter what you pick, it'll be that. But I found out a way that you can make it so you can decline it, so I will show you how. Some of you, but probably already know this. I think this is it. No, wait, no. Difference branch. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to make two variables first. I haven't made any yet. Okay, variable operation. I'm just gonna edit them quickly. This is if nobody knows how to, you're just gonna go to global variables and create a few new ones. First of all, I'm just gonna go, let's see, I'm just gonna do switch, and then switch 2, and I'll put one of their values on 0 and another one on 1, and then this is just for finished quest, and you'll just leave that on 0, or doesn't really matter. So that's good. Oops. After that, okay, now you go to your difference branch, and you're gonna press on the little square thing. You're gonna go to your global variables and pick one of them, switch, the other one, switch 2, which will be on the value 1, like the value 1, and this one will be on 0, so their difference will be 1. Okay, so if their difference is 1, like if the difference between the two values is 1, then it'll go this way. If they aren't, it'll go this way. So some of you might get it now, you might be able to figure out the whole thing now, but anyways, I'm just going to type in an example message. Okay, so can you bring me 10 herbs? Oh, and I forgot, edit, and you want to put two choices, accept or whatever to say yes, and then decline, or whatever to say no. Decline. Okay, so if you decline, or whatever you want to call it, you're just going to leave it like that, but the other way you can make it say like thanks or whatever. I'm not going to actually put anything, I'm just going to do the two things that you need to do. So if you say accept, you're going to take variable operation, and for the first one you're going to go either switch 1 or switch 2, it doesn't matter, but all you want to do is either add, subtract, multiply. You can pretty much do whatever, but just make sure it's not 0 still. You want to change it to kind of whatever. So I'm just going to put in this number. So that's pretty much far enough. and don't need to do that big of a number. You could actually just set it to 1 or 2, I mean. And then the other variable operation, you'll just go to, oh wait, no, you don't need this one yet. This one, that's all you need for now. Okay, so I'm going to put a quick thing just underneath that for now, just to let you know that the quest is started. So now you're going to go and you're going to get your comparison branch and grab your finished quest thing, and you want it to have equal to 1. And actually, you do need the variable operation, sorry. Finished quest. Actually, this is just kind of optional. I do this just to make sure it is. I don't know. You don't have to do this, though. I'm going to put this. I'm going to put this under here, too. Oops. Come on. I'm going to connect these all together. So you're going to make the finished quest set to 0. And this one, and it says you'll have to go, it's equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then it'll go this way. If it's not equal to 1, then it'll go this way. So now you want to do item held branch. Use that. I spelled item wrong. Take this and go to whatever your thing is. For my example, it's herb. 10 herbs. So, and this one you want to make sure it's on the not equal one because it's not equal right now. And if they don't have 10 herbs, you're just going to say, or whatever, you don't have enough. Do not have enough herbs yet. And then make sure this is on less. And then if they do, you're gonna make it say like thank you. And then you can give them their reward, like money, or add, remove an item, give them a sword or something. I'm just gonna do, make sure it's always add for these kind of things, like prizes or whatever, you always want to make it add. So I'm gonna say add 100 coins, and then you want to go, you can also add or remove an item as well, but so it'll, for here, so you want to make it so it'll take the other path, so then you can't keep on getting a reward. Let's say you have like 20 herbs, and then you can't just keep on going on this. What am I trying to say? You can't keep on taking this path so you can keep on doing the quest and keep on getting your bonus. Instead, you can only do it once. And also you want to make it so, oh yeah, and you also want to make it add remove item. No matter what, you're going to have to do this one because you just want to take away the 10 herbs and make sure it's subtracted, not set. So subtract 10 herbs, and that's good. And now finally you want to do variable operation, finish quest, set 1, okay. And then on this side you can just put in like thanks again for the herbs. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much all you do. Here's proof that it works. Okay, so here we go. This is the testing and proof of the questy thing. And because The guys have no pants because of transferring error from one computer to the other on my USB. And then I was too lazy to actually download the program onto this computer so I could get the pants, because there's really no point, since all I'm doing is doing this tutorial thing. So anyways, I better expand the screen, sorry about that. Okay, there we go. So, could you bring me 10 herbs? If you decline, then it'll go back to this thing. No matter how many times you do it. You do it a million times and it'll still show up. But once you hit accept, it'll go, you do not have enough herbs yet. So, if you do, and then you pick up 10 herbs, I just put that there because I didn't want to have to kill a whole bunch of enemies. And you go back to him, and it says, thank you, here's your reward. And then you talk to it again, and then it goes, oh, oops, I messed up on that part, that little thing, because I had to remake the script again, because for some reason it didn't save, but anyways, if you talk to him again, it's just because I misplaced the, what's it called, the message box. I misplaced it when I had to remake the script, but usually if you made it right, like I showed you how to in the real tutorial, you should hit enter or whatever your action button is, and he'll say whatever you told him to say once you've completed the quest. So, anyways, you're welcome. I am eating really good yogurt right now. So, bye.